The proof is in the baking. Now we will see how well each team followed the measuring and mixing directions. Let's see how they turn out. Dough is to get equally divided up. The yield of the recipe is 24 cookies. This recipe does not call for greasing the pans. Using 2 oven mitts, cookies should be put in the oven. 1 pan goes on each rack. After half the baking time has passed, you will need to switch the pans. By that we mean the pan that's on the top will go to the bottom, and the pan that's on the bottom will go to the top rack. Remember to reset your timer for the remainder of the baking time. Have 2 oven mitts ready and cooling racks to set the hot pans on. Cookies should be allowed to cool on the pan for about 5 minutes to let them begin to cool down and firm up. After 5 minutes, the cookies may be transferred to a cooling rack. After the cookies cool, they can be transferred to your mouth. Enjoy!
This is so good.
You got some milk? These would be good with milk.
I don't.
I'm
Sorry.
taking the rest home. Just
That's not an exception.